Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install older version of Zoom app in Android mobile. So if you want to install the older version because of the new version is not compatible or there is some feature that you don't like, so you can install the older version of Zoom. You can browse on your Chrome if you use Android. So here you can access Aptoide, this one. You can tap it. So here the list of Zoom Workplace, the old version. So this is the latest version in 21 December 2024, but this is the older version still in 2024. If you scroll down, you can find the 2023, this one. So the latest, the old version from the aptoide.com is on 1 year ago, 21 December 2023, with the version of 5.17.0.18287. So you can download it. It's only 53 megabyte size and 53.5 if you want to upgrade or update on 29 December 2023 and so on. So please don't use the beta, don't install the beta, just install the primary one, the alpha one. And also if you can find a non-Android version, for example the iOS version also, and you can also find like change the keyword Zoom old version or EOS, or for the Macintosh you can download it from Up to Down website, or you can find on community, on Zoom community. So thanks to Collins_Thames, you can download older version of Zoom meeting. Here this is for link for Windows, and here link for Mac. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.